oxide, YBA2Cu3UO SOR. Core is a famous crystalline material ever discovered in the world of quantum physics. It becomes superconductor when it is exposed to liquid nitrogen. Calculate the mass percentage of yttrium, barium, copper, and oxygen in this compound. A, Y equals 13%, B, A equals 41%, C equals 29%, O equals 17%. B, Y equals 15%, 39%, C equals 23%, O equals 21%. C, Y equals 17%, B equals 52%, C equals 13%, O 18%. D, Y equals 19%, B equals 41%, C equals 31%, O equals 9%. Answer Y equals 13%, B equals 41%, C equals 29%, O equals 17%. 2. Phosphoric acid H3PO cordial is one of the main ingredients of soft drinks, detergents, and fertilizers. It can be prepared with a series of reactions. P4 plus 5O2, PPOO and ZOPO plus 620, 4H3PO4. Let us say we allow 1,000 kilograms of phosphorus to react and yield 97% of H3PO core. How much in kilogram of H3PO ore was that produced after series of reactions? None 565.722 B, 956.46 kilogram, C 957.81 kilogram, D 482.12 kilogram. Answer A, 565.72 kilogram. 3. The N liters of oxygen at STP that is required for the combustion of 4 g-meters of ethylene. A 9.6 liters, B 96 liters, C 44.8 liters, D 7.2 liters. Answer A 9.6 liters. An element M forms a hydride which contains 90% of M by mass. What is the relative atomic mass of M? A 27, B 3, C 10, D 87, 10. 5. What is the mass of same No of potassium as are present in 11.5 grams of sodium? A 19 gram, B 15 grams, C 23 grams, D 39 grams. Answer B 15 Gs, not an isotope of hydrogen. Nums 2014, A deuterium, B tritium, C orthohydrogen, D none of these. Answer C, orthohydrogen. 7. 0.078 grams of a hydrocarbon occupies 22.414 milliliters of volume at STP. The empirical formula of hydrocarbon is CH. The molecular formula of hydrocarbon is A C2H2, B C4H4, C CHE, D C4H4. CT8 is a technique to separate impurities from chemical products. A. Langer's method. B. Fractional crystallization. C. Beckmann's method. D. Chromatography. Answer D. Chromatography. 9. Which gaseous hydride most readily reduces metal ions to its elements on contact with a hot aqueous medium? A. Hydrogen iodide. B. Ammonia. C. Hydrogen chloride. D. Hydrogen sulfide. Answer: hydrogen sulfide. 10. Which statement about 1 mole of metal is always correct? A. It contains the same number of atoms as 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. B. It contains the same number of atoms as 1/2 mole of Cl2. C. It has the same mass as 1 mole of carbon atoms. D. It is liberated by 1 mole electrons. A. It contains the same number of atoms as 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Subscribe karna na bhulen. हमारे channel Chemistry Nails को support करें. As the atomic number increases in group, the chemical properties A. Change, B. Stay roughly the same, C. Decreases, D. Increases. Stay roughly the same. Titers 12. How many atoms of carbon are present in 17 grams of glucose? A. Nums 2 6.0 by 10 squared 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 squared. B 3.6 by 10 squared gudu, C 6.0 by 10 squared, D 6.0 by 10 squared. For answer. B 3.6 by 10 squared BE. 13. 4 moles of ethanol react with 1 mole of PBr3 to form 3 moles of bromoethane and 1 mole of X. Which of the following is X? A H3PO4, B H3PO3C, HPO3, D H-tried-PO3. Answer. B14. The efficiency of chemical reaction can be expressed as MDCAT 2020. A. Theoretical yield. B. Actual yield. C. Percent yield. D. Maximum. Answer. C. Percent yield. If 15. In a vessel, 10 gr N2, 10 gr H2, and 10 grams O2 are present. Which one will have least number of atoms? A. H2, B, N2, C, O2, both H2 and N2. Answer. C. O2. Subscribe Karnana Bulan, Humari channel Chemistry Nails Ko support Karain. 16. The empirical formula of glucose CCH2O70 is 2020. A. CH1ZO, B. C3HTOC, CH2O. Answer. C. CH2O. 17. How many moles of sodium are present in 0.1 gram of sodium? MDCAT 2015. A. 4.3 times 10. B. 4.3 times 10 squared. C. 4.01 times 10 bu. D. 1 times 10 metal squares. Answer. A. 4.3 times 10 Mersfei. With the help of spectral data given, calculate the mass of neon and encircle the best option. Percentage of quarters of ZNE, quarter NE, and quarters wide and NE are 90.92%, 0.26%, and 8.82%, respectively. 21.18 MUB, 21.66 MU, CC, 20.18 MUD, 22.2 MU. 19. What is the percentage of nitrogen in NH2 or NO3? For A, 35%, B, 30%, C, 36%, D, 38%. Answer. D, 35. The number of moles of CO2 which contain 8.0 glimmers of oxygen is A, 1.25, B, 0.75, D, 5D, 0.52. Subscribe Karnana Bulan. Humari channel Chemistry Nails Ko support current. 21. The scent age of nitrogen and ammonium nitrate is MDCAT 2016. A, 46%, B, 82%, C, 33%, D, 13%. Answer. A, 46%. 22. Which of the following represents the empirical formula of glucose? A, CaCCH2OC, C, CHNO, D, CH2O. Answer. 23. How many moles of calcium carbonate are present in 1.75 kilograms of calcium carbonate? AR of Ca equals 40, AR of C equals 12, R of O equals 16. MDCAT 29 tanned. A, 0.0175 mole, B, 1.75 moles, and 1 mole, C, 1.75 mole, D, D equals 750 mole. Answer. C, 17.5 mole. So 24, the number of moles of water in 1 kilogram ice are A, 100 moles, B, 1,000 moles, C, 50 moles, D, 55.5 moles. Answer. D, 25. During stoichiometric calculations, which of the following laws must be followed? MDCAT 29, Dalton's law. B, law of conservation of mass. C, Avogadro's law. D, law of conservation of energy. Answer. B, law of conservation of mass. Subscribe Karnana Bulan Humari channel Chemistry Nails Ko support Karin. Agar organic compound X was burnt in an excess of oxygen. A 0.11 gram sample of X measured at STP produced 0.88 grams of carbon dioxide. How many carbon atoms are there in one molecule of X? FMDC 2020-12. A, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4. 27. Which statement about 1 mole of metal is always correct? 3. A. It contains the same number of atoms as 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. B. It contains the same number of atoms as 1/12th mole of phrase C. C. It has the same mass as 1 mole of carbon atoms. D. It is liberated by 1 mole electrons. Answer. A. It contains the same number of atoms as 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. 28. How many atoms of carbon are present in 18 gram of glucose, CH2O, FMDC 2013? A. 6.0 times 10 squared. B. 6.0 times 10 squared. C. 3.6 times 10 squared. D. 1.6 times 10 squared A. Answer. C. 3.6 times 10 29. Calculate the number of atoms in 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Answer, 4 atoms, 2 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen atoms times 30. The number of nitrogen atoms present in 160 mu of ammonium nitrate are FMDC 2017. A, 1B, 4, C, 6, D, 8. Subscribe Karna Nabula Numari channel Chemistry Nails co-support Karenge. 31. The relative atomic mass of neutron is KMU cat 200073. B 1.0008 C 1.0078. D 1.0087. Answer 1.072. 32. A container containing 2 moles of liquid ethanol and the gas of oxygen gas was sparked and products formed CO2 and H2O. Identify the limiting reagent, KMU-CAT 2021. Liquid ethanol, B. Oxygen gas, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. B. Oxygen gas. 33. For production of characteristic X-rays, the electron transition is from ETEA 28T-04 ENG. A, n equals 3 to 2, B, n equals 1 to n equals 2, C, n equals 2 to n equals 1, D, n equals 2 to n equals 3. Answer, C, n equals 2 to n equals 1. The magnetic quantum number for the last suborbital having 3 electrons in phosphorus and P is Ta 28 Eng. A minus 1, 0 plus 2, B minus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 2, D minus 1 minus 2. Answer B, 9 is 1, 0 plus 1. 35. If the required excitation voltage is given, for which element the X-ray spectrum consists of 3 spectral lines, i.e. KAKBL, LE 2018 Med, A, Na, B, boron, C, D, Ca. Yeah. Answer. C. Subscribe Karna Nabulin. Humari channel chemistry nails co-support 6. Energy of electron in first excited state of hydrogen atom in atom is E 2.8 times 10 meson train, B 0.545, think C minus 2.18 times 10, D. Natives 1312.36. Answer C. Nan is 2.18 times 1037. Which list shows electromagnetic waves in order of increasing frequency? ETEA 28 Chaz 04. A. Radio waves, gamma rays, ultraviolet, infrared. B. Radio waves, infrared, ultraviolet, gamma rays. C. Ultraviolet, gamma rays, radio waves, infrared. D. Ultraviolet, infrared, radio waves, gamma rays. Answer B. Radio waves, infrared, ultraviolet, gamma rays. 38. The charge on the electron and proton is reduced to half. If the present value of Rydberg constant is R, then the new value of Rydberg constant will be ETEA 2018 Med. A. R ver 2, B. R4, C. R far sake, D. D. Answer D. R16. Atoms A and Li have the electronic configuration given below. E 2015 15 Meds, X1s squared try 2s squared, 2p. Y. 1s squared, 2s squared, 2p frem t. Which of the following compounds are they likely to form? XY, B XY squared C, XY3, D XY2, 2, 40. The energy difference between adjacent energy levels of the hydrogen atom, ETA 2015-26 Med. A. Increases with increasing energy. B. Decreases with increasing energy. C. First increases and then decreases with increasing energy. First decreases and then increases with increasing energy. Answer D. Decreases with increasing energy. Subscribe karna na bhulen. हमारे channel Chemistry Nails को support करें.